Hey guys, Paul here. Hey, what I'm going to show you how to do now is I'm going to show you how to do hyperdocs. Hyperdocs are pretty cool. It's just a way of communicating. I like to use them, and I think they're something that would be a great benefit to us. We're going to see how it goes with them. But what hyperdocs are is they're just documents that you can go to in a website. And once again, this is our home website, and I attached this one to one of the pages on the how-tos, and we're going to stream down, and there it is. Okay, all you need to do is you need to come down and check, and you see this little box. This box opens up the document, and once you're in the document, you can change it. Okay, so I'm going to put in there. Oops, change the title, and just be careful because it is. See, I changed the title. I'll make sure you click in the box because if you do erase one of the others, it's a great example of what not to do. If you do something you shouldn't do, on mine, Command Z will change it back. But what we're going to do is I'm going to put in my name. I'm going to put in here everything I did this summer. I went to Branson. Okay, I'll put another one. I'm going to put Mickey Mouse worked at Disney. Okay. And that's kind of it. When you go back to the site, okay, notice it hasn't updated yet, but if I update the page, it should update the site, and you should be able to see it as we scroll down. There you see the responses down there. Okay, didn't have the other one up there yet. It must not have translated yet, but you can see that, and everyone should be able to respond, and everyone should be able to see what people respond to. So keep it clean, keep it simple. Like I said, hyperdocs are really cool. I think they'll be very useful to us, and I think it'll be a cool thing. See you guys later.
Okay, so do you think I could tell her that you meet her about 12:15?